The Cushman Hauler 800 series, featuring the 800 and 800X. The reliable, tough and efficient utility vehicle built to handle the demands of any job. Designed for golf courses, resorts, agriculture and work sites, the Hauler 800 is engineered for durability and versatility. With a rugged steel frame, heavy-duty suspension and all-terrain tyres, this utility vehicle is built to last. Choose between a quiet zero-emission 48-volt electric model or a powerful 13.5 horsepower petrol engine, both offering excellent performance and efficiency. The Hauler 800 comes equipped with a bed load capacity of up to 180 kilograms, making it perfect for transporting tools, equipment or materials across your site with ease. Built for comfort, the Hauler 800 features ergonomic seating, simple controls and smooth handling, ensuring a stress-free driving experience for all-day use. And with superior ground clearance and stability, you can tackle tough terrain with confidence, rain or shine. The Cushman Hauler 800, built to work, designed to last. Contact us today to find out more by visiting golfcaruk.com.